Let's go! Stop acting like a fucking retard. Yo. Broke money records, got no money. If you wanna donate, we will receive. Broke money records, got no money.
None, baby.
If you wanna donate, we will receive. Check it! Yo, his name is Delroy. I don't think he's the boy. But you can say that. I don't care that he might be a gay fag, but who cares? Yo, Steven got the mohawk with no cock. Yo, check it. Yo, check it. Yo, check it. I'm about to wreck it. Now feel my... Yeah!
Check it. Yo, check it. Yo, check it. Just check it. These other rap groups just don't get it. How I will wreck them. Just like I am a truck. Just a Bronson truck. I'll run over this shit and just make them quit. Cause Noah's over here sitting in the shanties.
Yeah, boy, about to kill it. Yeah, boy, about to kill it. Sin City! Broke money records, got no money. If you wanna donate, we will receive. Broke money records, give me money. If you wanna donate,
I need gas money.
we will receive. Yo, how gay are we? We're wearing capes and we're almost on TV. We're on YouTube. We got shit. Look at this kid. He's sitting on nothing. Damn. We got no money. His last name is Lindsay. He got 2 first names. How weird is that?
Check it.
You're almost fat. You're almost
We
got
are
a
gay,
six-pack.
but that doesn't mean
Yeah.
you guys can go over here and say, hey, my friends are gay, because we are not bags or in a bag. But I will bag your girl paper or plastic, bitch. Yo, you go, that's it. Yo, Dre, I know you watching. I hate you right now. You lost a piece of a membership, yo. It cost you $25, but don't worry, I'll give you that. Oh wait, no, I won't. I need this.
Get it.
Check. So, especially when you leave at 10 after you told us
Hey, yo, bitch.
out 10.
You know the beat.
You see this food right here, Dre?
Come along, dude.
See this food right here, Dre?
Come along.
We don't want it. You see this?
Broke money records.
You see this, Dre? We don't want it.
If you wanna donate,
No.
tag me.
No.
Like, yo, check it, right?
Yo,
Give me
check
that blanket,
it. Right? We
nice.
suck. You're probably right now saying what the.
We're about to end. Damn, dog. End that shit.
We're done.
Because we're
BMR.
gonna quit. We're gonna make